this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect GameSir G7 SE to Cronus Zen. While it is possible for you to use your GameSir G7 SE with your Cronus Zen, this is going to primarily depend on which firmware version you have of the controller. Because if we visit the official Cronus website here on the support page, they have a fix for GameSir controllers. So the GameSir G7 HE or SE controllers no longer work when directly connected to Cronus Zen. This guide shows you how to fix the compatibility issues. So there are going to be some factors that you have to keep in mind and some things to change. First, you will need the GameSir Nexus application. So if you don't have it already, go over to the Microsoft Store, either on your Xbox or PC, and download it. Then, what you will have to do first is set the polling rate to 250 Hz or 500. Either of these are okay, so I would recommend just going over to the highest, 500, but it cannot be set to 1000 Hz. If you set it to 1000 Hz, this will not work. Next, update the firmware using the app. So in here, you can look for updates and get the latest firmware available. Once you have the latest version of the firmware for your controller, open Zen Studio and go over to the devices. Now for Xbox and PC, launch the app with the controller connected, hold the Xbox button plus share until you hear the Windows disconnect sound or you see a screen flash. Plug the top USB into the Zen, then connect the right side PROG port. Connect the controller to the Zen and wait for it to power up. So once the Zen is powered up, ready to use, hold Xbox and share again until you see the Xbox logo and the controller icon appear. The input mode will be set to mirror mode. And finally, open the device monitor in Zen Studio to confirm that everything is working. So basically, you will reconnect it using the Cronus Zen and the GameSir Nexus software. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.